Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Kidnap machine of India. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, this is the product. An officially licensed die-cast scale model of Maruti Suzuki Omni. This product is manufactured by Shinsei India and is a rare scale model. Maruti Suzuki Omni, commonly known as Maruti Omni, was a very popular minivan in India. This multi-purpose van was available as 2-seater, 5-seater or 8-seater. This licensed toy comes with a driver inside. This scale model comes with a good exterior and an openable sliding door. Just look at the interior. It looks good. Due to this sliding door, Omni was also known as the Kidnap machine. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. This scale model comes with a pullback action feature. It's so long. Now let's test this pullback function on the road. Wow. Now let's try again. Good. Now let's take this Maruti Suzuki Omni for a mini test drive. A minivan on a mini test drive. Surprise! Omni goes off-road. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.